Today we have to study here these numbers from 71 to 80. Numbers from 71 to 80. How to make these 71 numbers? See here, 71 to 80. 7 tens, 7 tens and 1. Make here 71. 7 tens means 70. 70 plus 1 is equal to 71. 7 tens and 1 is equal to 71. Then 7 tens and 2. 7 tens and 2. 7 tens means 70. 70 plus 2 is equal to 72. 7 tens and 3. 7 tens means 70. 70 plus 3 is equal to 73. 7 tens and 4. 74. 7 tens and 5. 75. 7 tens and 6. 76. 7 tens and 7. 7 tens means 70. 70 plus 7 is equal to 77. 7 tens and 8. 78. 7 tens and 9 is equal to 79. And last one, 8 tens. 8 tens means 10 8 tens means 80. In front of these numbers you write here this in words number name. 71 means 71. Then you write here 71. 72, 72. 73, 73. 74, 74. 75, 75. 76, 76. 77, 77. 78, 78. 79, 79. And 80, 80. Write this name 80. EIGHTY 80. On the basis of these numbers from 71 to 80, here some questions. Firstly, write the numbers from 71 to 80 in serial order. Write the numbers from 71 to 80 in serial order. In serial order, all these numbers write 71 to 80 sequentially, means this ascending number of these numbers write smallest to biggest one. Starts from the 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80. Then second one question, write the numbers write the numbers second one question, write the numbers from 71 to 80 in descending order. These numbers write 71 to 80 in descending order. Descending order means the numbers biggest to smallest one. Then this 71 to 80 here serial order, all these numbers. Then these numbers reverse you write here this in descending order, starts from this 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72 and 71. Then third one question, write the missing numbers. Write the missing numbers. 71, here one empty box. 72. Write all these missing numbers here. First number is given 71. 71 after which number here? Sorry, here 72. Then here 73. 73 after which number here? 74. Then you write here 74. 74 after 75. Then 75 after 76 number is given. 76 after which number here? 77. And 77 after 78. Then second one, see 73. Here 73 number is given, empty boxes. 73 after which number here? 74. 74 after 75. 75 after which number here? 76. 76 after 77 and 77 after 78. Then third one, here 75, one empty box. 76. Then here 75. 75 after which number here? 76. Then 76 after here? Here 80. 75. 75 after which number here? 76. 76 after 77. 77 after 78. And 70 after 79. Last one number 80. Then again one question, see here. Write the correct symbol of these numbers. Write the correct symbol. Write the fourth one. Write the correct symbol. Write the correct symbol. Fourth one question, write the correct symbol. Symbol smaller than, greater than and equal to. You compare here these two numbers, left side number and right side number. Firstly you see here left side number 9. 9 is less than this 12. Then you write here symbol of this less than. In this write the correct symbol of these numbers from 71 to 80, write only. Here 72 number is given, here one empty box and here 80. Then firstly you see here this left side number 72 and right side number 80. Then you compare here 72 number to this 80. 72 is less than this 80 number, then you put here symbol of this smaller than. Then 74 and here 71. 74, this number greater than this 71, then you put symbol here greater than. Then third one 75, here also 75, these two numbers same, then here put symbol this equal to. Then fourth one 72 and here 79. 72 smaller than this 79, then put here symbol this smaller than. Then 71 and here 77. 71 is smaller than this 77, then you put symbol this smaller than. Then 76 and here 80. 76 smaller than this 80, then you put symbol of this smaller than. In this type, in homework, you write these numbers from 71 to 80. Okay.